Also, I don't know.
One, two, buckle my shoes. 3, 4, buckle some more. 5, 6, Nike kicks.
Now let's play a nice wholesome game of eels and escalators.
Oh boy, my favorite!
Come on, Gary needs a new pair of shoes.
Ooh, eels! Too bad, SpongeBob, you gotta ride the eel.
Darn.
My turn! Hooray! Escalators! Up, up, up!
Come on, escalators, escalators, escalators. Ah, eels again.
My turn! Escalators!
Escalators, escalators, escalators. Eels.
Escalators! Well, this is your last chance, SpongeBob. Or if you get eels again, you lose.
Ooh, escalators, escalators, escalators. Ha! Escalators!
Eels. You said number 11.
I didn't mean, you gotta understand, Patrick, I was trying, what I meant to say, some things just slip out. You gotta understand.
Don't worry, SpongeBob, I understand. Mr. Krabs! Mr. Krabs! Mr. Krabs!
Patrick!
Also, I don't know.
Hi, can I get a pitcher of water?
Yeah, sure.
Also, I don't know.
Do y'all need me to drive this bitch? Cause what the fuck is the problem? Let's go! Let's
Okay, well, that's interesting. You know why?
Why?
Because
Yeah, I'm doing good. How you doing?
Jesus! Enemy drone incoming. Starting the clock.
Also, I don't know.
Hey, how you doing? It's gonna be a party of 4, but maybe 58.
Oh, I'm sorry. You won't be able to do
Manager.
that. Okay.
Manager.
Do I look good or not? You already know we look good. Help! Help!
Let's go in.
Damn! Damn! Oh! I can't! Oh!
That's better. That's better.
Ah, fuck. I don't even got shoes on. What up, bud? What up, bud? I will be taking that.
Five Nights at Freddy's. That's where I wanna be. Five Nights at Freddy's.
These are the 3 best tricep workouts. Shredded triceps in the gym.
You have to lace me for your medal, Curtis.
What? And get my boy Kurt. Get your medal, Kurt. Hold on, Kurt. Focus on that pizza right now. Kurt, get that medal, Kurt. Let me see that medal. Turn around. Turn around. Show me your medal.
My medal.
Bam! Beat Kurt with the medal, baby. Yeah. Huh?
Are you kidding me right now? Curse, bro. Come on, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck is this, Curse?
I love you all. I wish I could stay all night long.
Let's get out of here.
I don't know what I'm talking about, and I never have. I never really have.
Everybody knows that. Like, you go to any place, you say.
Yo, where we going, guys? To defeat the Ender Dragon. What?
Shit. Fuck. Ay, ay, ay.
Oh. Hey, if this lands, I get your cooch. Thank fucking God.
Now, who the fuck did that?
Where's Rick?
I'm
Don't care. Where's Rick?
See you weekend.
What the? What is that? Oh my god.
Really?
Stop it. Wow. I'm not.
It's already all sliced.
I'm not momming correctly.
It's whack-a-doodle time. It is whack-a-doodle time.
Go to church. Oh. Go praise the Lord. Go praise the Lord and read the Bible.
Where my munch at? Where's my munch?
Y'all, why is this man? Babe, take the frap. You better not put. You. You're real. Ew, did you just eat it? No. Babe.
Yo.
Now I'm about to sing Britney. Say sorry. You just put your booger freaking fry in my face and it was wet. Say sorry. Hi.
Guys, we have an assignment.
Did you hear that? We have an assignment.
On what not to do at the stoplight.
Did you hear that? On what not to do at a stoplight.
Pull out your pencils and papers. It has to be no less than 800 words.
Did you hear that? No less than 800 words.
Yeah, I know.
It's a no for me.
Would you ever want to hang out socially?
Don't ask me why. I don't fucking know. I don't fucking know, man.
Bro, like they tryna set a trend. He's a pretender.
Why are you here? The Lakers need a center.
So we just got a nice pie. Ooh, it's like coconut pie. Wow. We're gonna mac on that for sure. Help! Help!
Are you sure this is the Airbnb?
Yeah. Big brother gets top bunk.
Wait.
Big brother gets top bunk.
Carrot launcher. You get it, and then you like shove the carrot like right there. You aim where you want to aim.
Nah, that was ass. Hold on. Y'all gotta come in strong. The attack, okay? Okay. 1, 2, ready. Ooh, yeah. don't care.
Okay.
I really don't give a fuck. I really don't.
Exactly. Right.
I'm not stopping you. Everybody knows that. Like, you go to any place, you say.
No, I don't care. That's not the point.
I don't know her.
Okay, but that's not the point.
I'm a boss, bro. Bro, please. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. Look.
You gotta stay there.
Exactly 2 cans of Coke.
Ain't never asked her to cook again, bro. What the hell is this? Bro, this shit see-through.
You're not that bitch or nothing, but you still ate that little one. That little one thing, you ate that one thing.
Yo, how's your studying going?
Yeah, I mean, it's alright. Are you even listening to me, bro?
So, no,
Why my grandma doing my laundry right now? She want to come to my room like this. Where do you put Eve's stuff? Like, where should I put this? Where's Eve's stuff? I was like, Grandma, this is mine. Eve is my 2-year-old daughter. I was like, this is mine. She was like, how? You're big. What? And this is reminding me of when she first landed. Like, she hasn't seen me since 2018 because she's been in the Philippines. She was like, you look so good. You're not heavy anymore. What? What?
You're not that bitch or nothing, but you still ate that little one. That little one thing, you ate that one thing.
Sleeping Beauty, you sleep like an angel. For your love, I am Kratos. No god can withstand the powers and disasters I'd go to get to your body. Oh Lord, you gonna wrap it around? Delicious.
32 was red. Well, I fell it through my hoodie, bro. You gotta go fart, go out in the hallway. 34. Yeah. 5. Is that you? 35. 36. 80.
Okay, we're gonna do like different parts. We're gonna be right back at it at lunch. They just all migrated over there, bro.
I don't even want to hear it.
School's over.
That's quick.
Prank's over. We got some
But I'm
good.
still gassy.
Yeah, she just farted in here. We don't need no dang fart spray. She is the fart spray.
Shut up. Nigga, it's me. I just ain't got no weave in.
No! No!
Eve, no way.
Gun to your head, name 5 DG songs.
Oh, so I gotta get a
Who?
A British person just called me blood? I am not gang affiliated. You can seek those goods elsewhere. That was not a good move to do.
This is ghetto. I like ghetto shit, but not this shit. This shit is corny ghetto.
I like apples and bananas.
Me too, bro. Me too.
Hello, what about me?
No, you're not in this episode.
I'm just not afraid to be seen trying.
I'm not afraid of be seen trying. When did it become uncool to try?
I'm a boss, bro. Bro, please, I'm a boss. I'm a boss. Look. Chill.
What's up, girl? Yeah. Look at, oh, fuck. Oh, yeah.
Get in the back.
Oh, my bad.
Other side of the
Oh, my bad.
Does anyone else's mom dress up for a high school baseball game? She does.
Do y'all need me to drive this bitch? Cause what the fuck is the problem? Let's go! Stop playing. Oh my. Why y'all do it? Oh my Jane. He do the drinks on Jane.
Ariana, what are you doing here?
They talking about my package out for delivery. Baby, I need my shit now. I need my shit now.
I don't think you guys realize how differently you get treated when you look good, when you dress nicely, when your hygiene is on point. I'm out here in boots and I just went to the doctor because I wanted something and I got it. Here you go. So taking care of yourself is a game changer, trust me.
Here, right here. All your needs will be met.
I'm hungry.
In a minute!
It's whack-a-doodle time. It is whack-a-doodle time.
He only had buck teeth.
I'm just taking a dookie thinking about you. It's because the way it drops is the same way my heart did when I first saw you. Kakaris! Yeah, I know, you never heard that one before. I'm so different and unique, I know. All of my views just folded.
Come on, man. What the fuck is you doing, cuz? Fuck!
I am. I am.
Life does not. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Here's your 2 pounds of hot Cheetos. They better last you a long time.
They're gonna last for 2 hours, man.
Say what you said.
That I saved a bunch of TikTok videos that I wanted to show you.
Why didn't you show me?
Because you weren't talking, so I saved them until we talk again.
POV, the whole class is about to take a quiz and this girl finishes before it even started. I need whatever tool she is using.
The goal is to get.
It's like a reward.
Say, bro, why you ain't accept my friend request? Would y'all be my friend?
Don't tell me I don't know how to communicate. I communicate very, very, very well.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
Hey, bro, you want to go get some, Whoa.
I don't need your judgy eyes looking at me, bro. I have 12 hours before the test, and that's 12 hours to make the greatest academic comeback ever.
A few moments later.
Like, honestly, my room looks like a forensic case, bro, and I'm expecting to get the statistically impossible 108% I need to pass. Another thing is, bro, they already gave me a white coat. I can tell people I'm a neurosurgeon without going through this fucking shit.
Mortal Kombat, bitch. You have made it to the next motherfucking challenge. Me. Don't tell me I don't know how to communicate. I communicate very, very, very well.
Hey. Are you even paying attention?
No.
Look at his back muscles.
This up on the fridge. Please. Please.
on your fridge.
Near the water, and I turn around, I see this. Hella studious. Look at this studious ass fool. Damn, this fool studious.
Pav is doing her makeup at work, but her desk is in the front.
Hi. The other thing Jeff has to mention, and maybe number Hi. Okay, I'll go do that right now.
Are we talking or not? What's the problem? Why are you yelling at him though? Yelling? Yelling!
Enemy drone incoming. Starting the clock.
Hey, Chucky? Yeah? I'm really glad we're friends. Me too, Tommy. Hey, Chucky? Yeah? I'm really glad I'm staying over at your house. Me too, Tommy. Even if you do waste a lot of time putting away your blocks. Hey, Chucky? What? Tommy, what? I'm trying to sleep. Oh, nothing really. I was just thinking about green jello. Green jello? Yeah. How do they do it? Do what? Make it green. I don't know, Tommy. Just go to sleep. How do they make it green?
Let's go! I'm sick of her ass. I'm sick of that shit.
What's up?
What's up? Close the door.
You guys got any black t-shirts?
Yeah, bro, I think you found them.
Do you guys have any other sizes in this? Actually, never mind. Can I actually get a change room?
Yeah, bro, help yourself, but you can only have 5 in the change room right now.
Fine, can you hold some of these then?
How'd everything go, man?
Alright, nothing said. Gotta go.
Later, man. What the?
Also, I don't know.
What is the fun fact of the day, Miss Tan?
There are some flowers that are edible. For example, this is our classroom hibiscus plant. And it's clean because I washed it this morning. You could just rip it and eat it.
Oh, hold on. Let me take a bite. How does it taste?
Like lettuce, to be honest.
Oh, okay. I can't. Here, just a little. Eat it.
Oh, not need it. Oh, let me see.
Here, eat
it's
it.
like lettuce. It really is. Hibiscus is edible. They turn it into tea, and it's really pretty.
Try it. Come on.
Didn't taste like nothing. I told you, it tastes like nothing. It's like lettuce.
That's suspicious.
Give me your phone. Stop. You have something that is very valuable to me. Take this.
Hey, Bobby, yeah, just give me 1 second, man. I gotta get a flying help. Luke! Again. What's up, Luke? What could you possibly need this time? Hello, ma'am. Her gift card is not working. Let's see about that. All this time that I taught you during training about gift cards, all down the toilet. Ma'am, can I please see your gift card? Thank you very much. Luke, come here. Look at this, buddy. Did you click on the gift card button? Oh, you did. Well, clearly you did. Every single time. I'm so sorry, ma'am, but it appears that there are insufficient funds on your gift card. What? No, don't you dare apologize. We need to apologize for all of the trouble that Luke has given you today. So here is a free gift card on us. Thank you so much. You come back now. And Luke, how about you meet me in my office before the end of your shift so that I can have a word with you? Coming, Bobby!
Wow.
I actually admire hearing that.